Did I
Coming up. It's gonna come up again.
did I start filming you too soon because it's going to be a career kind of thing?
Good fish.
Yeah, and trying to make her. I'm writing the sign too.
I hope my track record for the day doesn't hold.
Well, just shut the hell up.
Come on, girl, come on.
Show us the sign. Is it a big red?
Your lures in here.
Is it a great big red fish?
No.
No, that's a trout.
No, not unless they changed and got yellow mouths all of a sudden. Come on, girl.
That's some serious fish right there.
Pretty strong.
This will be good just to convince people that you can catch trout in July.
Under full moon.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
With a bunch of sluts.
We're going to have to edit that out. Come on.
Slut is relative.
Yeah, it is. But you say that like it's about.
Yeah.
Man, this is a strong fish.
You sure it's not a redfish?
Uh-uh.
Jack Crevalle?
I've already seen this one.
Yeah, I saw it too.
Oh, God, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Oh. It looks like a serpent.
Wow. Wow.
Oh.
That is just...
Oh, whoa. He said no.
There's the big one.
Yeah, girl.
You pick her up off the bottom, or?
Yeah, well, it was sinking down. It was just right about the time it got to the bottom, I felt a little thump. Didn't feel like much. Except the hook felt like a concrete block.
When she came to the top, I was like, oh.
No,
Yeah,
my
she
goodness.
came straight up to put the hook on.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at all stop, too. I guess y'all scared all the fish away. Nope, I'm going to bite. Oh, okay.
Still fishing with that plum?
Yeah. Plum saltwater assassin.
Some food?
No, just plum. Straight plum.
You baby girl. Baby. What is that you're talking to?
That's a significant
I
fish.
think you found a lot. Yeah, I did too. Yeah.
Alright.
Have you ever found any? No. I guess I will now. I think I might have some in my hand.
Oh,
thank you.
oh, right on my camera. Right here at the prime time.
She's ours.
Oh, my gosh.
You got him?
Yeah. Ready?
You want a movie or a picture? Okay. 7.5 pounds, 29-inch trout. Nice release.
Whoa. What's over your ass?
Keep going.
Great work.
Good job.